Lindsay Melvin, and I'm the Interim Manager for Distribution Portfolio Services.
We have been relying on this King station since it was built in the early 1900s. It's become a critical component of supplying electricity to the downtown area in Winnipeg. In particular, this station supplies about 1/3 of the energy that our downtown area relies on. The building and the equipment in it is in very much need of renewal. And so the best decision was to build a brand new station. Our distribution systems run on a voltage level, and that's how they're identified. So there's a 4 kV distribution system, which is one of the oldest ones that we have in Winnipeg. And there's also a 12 kV system. A lot of the system in this area is built on 4 kV. So right now we're in the process of actually converting our infrastructure to no longer depend on this 4 kV system in this area and move to a much more stable, much more reliable 12 kV system. It involves all kinds of electrical infrastructure, everything from poles and transformers, high voltage equipment, to looking at our infrastructure at our facilities as well. One of the benefits of moving from the 4 kV distribution system to the 12 kV distribution is that the 4 kV system and the parts that are required to maintain that system are coming to their end of life, which means that as maintenance is required, the parts wouldn't be available to replace those. So we need to move to a system where parts are readily available and we can provide that ongoing maintenance and reliability.